Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Pratama. I am a student of the management at Technocrat University. I hope this presentation will provide valuable insight and be beneficial for everyone. Without further ado, let's get started. Understanding data dispersion. Why it matters. Data dispersion, also known as variability or speed, describes how straight-head or squeezed as distribution is. It indicates the degree to which individual data points in a set differ from one another and from their average. Context. Dispersion gives context to the mean to detect the two data can have the same mean but vastly different spreads. Risk analysis. A high level of dispersion often signifies higher risk of greater uncertainty in financial and scientific analysis. Reliability. Low dispersion indicates that data points are clustered closely around the mean, suggesting more reliable average. Rank, the simplest measure of spread. The rank is the most basic measure of data dispersion. It's calculated by subtracting the minimum value in a data from the maximum value. Calculating rank, maximum value, minimum value. Simplicity. It is easy to compute and provides a quick raw estimate of the variability. Limitation. The rank is equally subtractable to outliers as it only considers the two extreme values and ignores the rest of the data. For example, the lowest temperature record in Mount was 5 Celsius and the highest was 30 Celsius. The rank in 25 Celsius. Why simple? Its reality on only 2 points means it doesn't give a full picture of the data to distribution. Interquartile rank (EQR), focusing on the middle ground. The interquartile rank EQR is a measure of statistical dispersion that describes the variability of the central 50 of the data. It is therefore more robust against outliers than the simple rank. Qualifiers defined data is defined into 4 equal parts: Q1, Q2, Q3. EQR calculation. The EQR is calculation as the difference between the third quartile Q3 and the first quartile Q1. Outlier resistance. By focusing on the middle 50%, the EQR ignores extreme values, makes it ideal for segment distribution. Variance, qualifying definition from the mean. Variance is a non-negative value at measure of the data point and spread out from the average value, the mean. It is the average of the squared difference from the mean. 1. Squared difference. Squaring difference deviation assures all values are positive and give more weight to larger deviation. 2. Population versus sample. Slightly different calculation methods exist for population variance. 3. Unit inconsistency. The primary limitation is that its units are the squared units of the data original, making the rate's interpretation difficult. Standard deviation. The most common measured deviation. Standard deviation. Interpretation. It represents the typical distance of data point from the mean. A small standard deviation indicates data points are close to the two mean. Context in normal distribution. In a normal distribution, approximately of the data falls within one standard deviation. Key advantage. Because standard deviation is in the same unit as the data, it provides a practical measure of volatility in finance, error in science, or variation in manufacturing. Key takeaways and when they use which measure. Measure definition based use. Rank max mean value. You need a quick sample assessment or when the real outliers. Rank max AQR Q3 Q2 middle 50%. The data is skewed or contains significant outliers non-parametric data. Average square deviation. Further mathematical analysis is required. Statistical inference. Standard deviation, square root of variance. The distribution is approximately normal and you need a measure in the original data units. That concludes my presentation for today. I hope the information I've shared has been useful and insightful for everyone. Thank you.